But if you're really meeting someone, then you're like really saying that's what your name is. But when you're saying it to a camera, you're like proclaiming it, right? All right. Yeah. So. I'm Kyle Mosholder, and I run Demploy, which is a small brand of handmade canvas and leather bags mostly. We do a few other things as well, but it's mostly all what we can hand make in our studio in Brooklyn. I've like worked for like 3-ish years at Jeff Koons' studio, so it was like to see it there at that level and kind of hang out at that level with what that shop looked like and how many people work there, and you see like what works and what doesn't. I mean, my education is all sculpture and art. Really no background whatsoever in like sewing or fabrics. I mean, it was the way that I got into it was like really roundabout, and I think by the time I had some momentum, didn't have a job, so I kind of started to like push it more. No idea. I mean, I guess I've always used a sewing machine, you know, like since I've been like a kid, so I never really felt scared of them. I'm really excited to like grow, expand in terms of space, and then also just increase the capabilities of the studio in general. I had always considered growing to a point of using a factory. There's plenty of manufacturing in New York, you know, but it seems way more appealing now that I've given it some thought to be able to accumulate my own machines and run a small studio. There seems like a niche that's kind of happening with like where you don't want 1,000 pieces, you know. Yeah, you want to like work at a smaller level and still have like high level of quality and some control.